stage, Ethan Lipset.
Everybody hear me? Yeah. Awesome. All right. So this is not going to be a performance. This is going to be a collective experience. We're going to get a little warmed up. Over the last few years, I've realized that, first of all, I love to sing. And I find that when we sing in community, we actually communicate in a way that's very different from just talking at each other or with each other. And we can build bonds and friendships and connections and really actually cultivate love when we're connecting through our voices. So I've been writing some little ditties that are really easy for us to sing together. And it's also going to be a little bit of a challenge as well because we're going to break into 3 groups and we're going to actually sing it in a round. And I call these like kind of mantra-esque. They might stay in your head. We'll see. Basically, we're going to just say group 1 is right in front of me. Group 2 is everyone over here. And group 3 is everyone over here. And I'll kind of guide you guys as we go. But just listen to what I start and then